Hello everyone, my name is Kevin. I'm going to show you how to install a countertop water retain. Okay, you can edit it as well. Alright, let's get into it. Thing first, come to this one, countertop installation. Okay, so when press OK, then you see what size you want and texture. Okay, depends on yourself. Okay, for me, I'll just remain the same. Right, so purple one is behind, green one is front. Right, now when you press generate, it will appear everything. Right. So to edit it, just right click, counter edit, or press in here also can. So let's press counter edit, press OK. Okay. So to edit the backwater restraint, press here, advanced setting, backwater restraint is in here. Right. Now I press this one delete. Okay. So in order the new one, let's say I create from here to here. You can press add. When you mouse over here, you can see 4, 5, 6. So now 4, 5, and 6. So let's say I present starting from 4 and ending at 6. Once I press confirm, press generate. As you can see here, here appear, here did not appear. Now I want this part, but I don't want this part, right? So same thing, select this one, right click, countertop edit. Okay, so in order to add the second part, right? So same thing, we press add. Okay, mouse over, you see 2 to 1. So we draw 1 to 2 or 2 to 1. So you try it out. So let's say I press another add and I just press generate. Okay, you can see the generate outcome already. Okay, so just right click, countertop edit. Okay, there you go. Right, so you have your countertop edit just like that. Right, hit the button like and subscribe. Okay, bye.